Santa Stark's here. Just joking. It's little Red Riding Hood.
You're wearing your Halloween costume.
So, I want to put the... We're going to a haunted hayride. And I'm sure we're going to scare you to death.
She's wearing her Halloween costume. Yeah, you can. You don't have to.
We're not wearing ours. Ours is gonna be
Oh yeah, be careful. When you sit on a haunted hayride, you should have worn like something really good because it'll make your butt completely black and stain it. Looks like you're going to the ball getting your pair of jeans. Looks like, hey Tina, looks like you're gonna go get a new costume.
I have two.
Tina, looks like you're gonna go get a new costume.
This is how you play flow free. Just joking. This is
Oh God.
just a funny goofing around video.
Watch here, I'll show you. Like
This is the worst yield ever.
Watch and learn.
You come down, there ain't even a spot to like. It's like you're automatically into this lane. That's funny.
Jed, make a funny video. No. Jed, make a funny face. It's going on YouTube. Where's our Demi Lovato heart attack song at? Never ever loved on the ride. Never said yes to a right guy. Never had trouble getting what I want.